In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export emails in Outlook efficiently and effectively. Whether you're looking to back up your emails or simply move them to another location, these steps will guide you through the process seamlessly. Begin by opening Outlook on your computer. Once you're in, you'll want to click on File, which you won't find in the upper left corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu where you should then select Open and Export. After that, choose Import Export from the list. These steps will lead you to the Import and Export wizard, which is a crucial tool for managing your data. From the list of options provided in the wizard, you'll want to choose Export to a File. This function allows you to create a file from your emails, which can be stored or transferred as needed. After making your selection, click Next to continue. Now you'll be prompted to select the type of file you wish to export. Here you should choose Outlook Data File by PST. This type of file is specifically designed to store your email messages, calendar events, and other Outlook items, providing a comprehensive backup of your data. Click Next once you've made the selection. Moving forward, you need to decide which emails you wish to export. You have the option to export your entire mailbox, just your inbox, or specific folders that contain the information you're targeting. Be thoughtful here, as your choice will determine the scope of the data you'll be working with. If you wish to include subfolders in the export, make sure to enable this option. This is particularly useful if your emails are organized in a nested folder structure, as it ensures all the relevant information is included. Once you've settled on your selection, click Next to proceed to the final steps. Next, you'll have to specify the location on your computer where you want to save the exported data as a PST file. You can browse to choose a convenient location where you know you'll be able to easily find and access this file later. After you've set the destination, the Export Wizard offers an option to add a password to the PST file for added security. This step is optional but recommended if your emails contain sensitive information. Once you feel confident in your choices, click Finish to complete the process. By following these steps, you've now successfully exported your emails. This process not only ensures that your valuable communications and information are safely stored, but also provides flexibility to move or back up your data whenever needed. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.